Good day, everyone! It's 2025 and yung mga everyday problem natin ay kailangan na ng mga modern solutions. And today, I have this 4-in-1 device for car jump starter, air pump, and at the same time, kaya siya tinawag na 4-in-1 kasi aside from these significant functions, meron pa siyang ilaw. So, ayan. And this one for SOS or emergency. So, ayan. And aside from that, meron din siyang charging port. So, this works as a power bank as well. So, today we are going to jumpstart this car kasi it's been like how many months na hindi na namin siya nagagamit. So, I bought this particularly for this one. So, I'm going to show you how this one works. Okay? See you! So, this is the setup. Kasama na sa accessory itong car jump starter clip, which is the red one goes to the positive and the black one goes to the negative. So, ayan, try natin. So, we're going to inflate this gulong. So, let's try it. Almost there. Okay, we're good.
6 minutes and 35 seconds.
So everything works well according to the product's promise. So if you're interested to get one, check out my yellow basket and get one now.